Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Tahoe headlights is probably one of the most crucial aspects of your vehicle's safety and aesthetics. Upgrading or replacing your headlights can significantly improve visibility during nighttime driving and enhance the overall look of your Tahoe. This video will guide you through the essential considerations for selecting the perfect headlights for your 2007 to 2013 Tahoe. Number 5. Auto Dynasty Headlight Assembly for Chevy Tahoe. These headlights significantly improve brightness. They allow you to see the road clearly at night or in extreme weather, making your driving safer. This headlight assembly is designed for Chevrolet Suburban 1500 Tahoe from 2007 to 2014 and Suburban 2500 Avalanche from 2007 to 2013. It's a perfect fit for your vehicle. Made with high-quality sealed ABS plastic and durable polycarbonate, it ensures excellent resistance to impact and water. This design guarantees a long-lasting life in any circumstance. These headlights are easy to install with a direct bolt-on fitment. The plug-and-play style requires no modification or drilling, making it an ideal replacement. The package includes two headlights with turn signals. It features a black housing with a clear lens. Please note that bulbs are not included, and it fits models with halogen headlights only. Engineered to withstand harsh weather conditions, it ensures functionality and clarity even in wet and rainy environments. This prevents moisture-related damage, maintaining clear visibility. What we like. This headlight assembly boasts a solid waterproof design, ensuring durability in all weather conditions. It's also easy to install with a direct bolt-on fit, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-install headlight that enhances visibility, this is a great choice. What people say. Thea are sharp paired with black and chrome detail. If you're into that, I love the clear marker light as opposed to the amber marker. Just mad my Tahoe look mean in the front. The lights were easy to install, awesome fit, they look great and super bright. I can see where I'm going down the road now. Perfect look, awesome, exactly what I wanted. Number 4. JSBOYAT Headlight Assembly for Chevy Tahoe Suburban. This headlight assembly is compatible with multiple Chevy models from 2007 to 2014. It fits Tahoe, Avalanche, and Suburban models. The assembly is designed to match OEM part numbers for a perfect fit. The assembly uses specific bulb types for high beams, low beams, and turn signals. High beams use 9005 bulbs, low beams use H11 bulbs, and turn signals use 3157 bulbs. This ensures optimal lighting performance. This headlight is built with high-quality, durable materials. The housing is made of sturdy polycarbonate plastic, sealed to be waterproof up to IP65. This ensures excellent weather and impact resistance, providing bright lighting. The assembly meets or exceeds OEM requirements and is SAE and DOT certified. Microprism reflectors and chrome finishes enhance light reflectivity. This improves visibility at night, providing a safer driving experience. Installation is simple with a plug-and-play design. It's a direct bolt-on replacement for the original unit, requiring no modifications. Professional installation is recommended, but the process is straightforward. What we like. This headlight assembly features premium housing materials, ensuring excellent weather and impact resistance. It's also designed with safety in mind, meeting OEM requirements for a safer driving experience. If you prioritize safety and durability, this headlight is a solid pick. What people say. These headlights fit my 2010 Tahoe perfectly. Fit perfect, easy install, and you can adjust level with it installed. From above adjustment location, there is a factory cut hole. Place a long skinny flathead screwdriver down and you can adjust by moving the teeth left or right. I definitely do enjoy the clear reflector and it not being bright orange. Number 3. Spec-D Tuning Headlights for Chevy Avalanche Tahoe Suburban. Looking to upgrade your Chevy? These Spec-D tuning headlights are designed specifically for your vehicle. They're a perfect fit and will instantly enhance the look of your car. These headlights are compatible with Chevy Avalanche, 2007 to 2013, and Tahoe Suburban, 2007 to 2014, models. Installation is straightforward, making it easy to replace your old headlights. These headlights meet DOT and SAE standards. They are made by an ISO-certified manufacturer, ensuring they meet or exceed OEM requirements. You can trust the quality and durability of these lights. Installation is a breeze with a direct bolt-on replacement design. No extra wiring or modifications are needed. However, professional installation is highly recommended. These headlights are fully sealed and waterproof, with impact and UV-resistant materials. They are built to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance. Plus, you'll receive a brand new pair, never used. What we like. These headlights feature a sleek LED strip design, giving your Tahoe a modern look. They are also DOT and SAE compliant, ensuring quality and safety. If you like a stylish upgrade with easy installation, these headlights are perfect for you. What people say. The fit was perfect and look way better than stock. The installation was easy enough and so far they work great. Changed the whole look of the truck. Nice lights that give a more updated look to my 2008 Tahoe. Number 2. AmeriLite Chevy Tahoe Suburban Avalanche Headlights. Introducing the AmeriLite headlights, designed specifically for your Chevy Tahoe, Suburban, or Avalanche. These headlights are a perfect replacement, offering a sleek, factory-style look. These headlights fit models from 2007 to 2013. Installation is easy, as they are a direct OEM replacement, meaning no modifications are needed. Rest assured, these headlights meet or exceed all US and Canadian regulations. They are DOT and SAE certified, ensuring both safety and quality. The package includes a pair of headlights, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side. New bulbs and harnesses are also included, so you're ready to go. We stand behind our product with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 90-day limited warranty. You can trust the quality and durability of these headlights. What we like. This headlight offers a factory-style design, maintaining the original look of your vehicle. It meets DOT and SAE standards, guaranteeing safety and quality. If you are looking for a direct replacement that meets all regulations, you should consider this. What people say. The headlights are very clean and clear, solid fit with no shaking or rattling in place, and they look great. They came pre-installed with all blinkers, high beam, low beam and marker lights, so that made the replacement job a lot easier and quicker. These headlights fit perfectly and actually required no adjustments, even though the adjustment screws are very accessible. Number 1. AKKON Black Bezel Headlights for Chevy Suburban Tahoe Avalanche. Introducing the AKKON headlights, a direct replacement for your vehicle's original parts. These are brand new and ready to install. They are designed to fit perfectly. These headlights fit 07-13 Chevy Avalanche, 07-14 Chevy Suburban, and 07-14 Chevy Tahoe models. They also fit the 08-14 Chevy Tahoe Hybrid. Make sure it's the right fit for your car. Installation is straightforward, a direct bolt-on replacement. However, some modification might be needed. Please note that light bulbs are not included, so use your original ones. While the product is easy to install, professional installation is highly recommended. There is no installation guide included. Ensure the best results with professional help. This product comes with a limited warranty of up to 90 days from the delivery date. This warranty covers any potential defects. Please keep this in mind. What we like. This headlight features a sleek black bezel design, giving your vehicle a stylish upgrade. It's a direct bolt-on replacement, making installation straightforward. If you like a simple upgrade with a modern touch, this headlight is a great choice. What people say. Great lights, especially if you add LED lights. Was a bit disappointed that the running lights and turn signal lights were not included, but great headlights. Works perfectly. These are almost identical to the OEM lights. You will have to transfer the harness with sockets and bulbs to your new light. Someone complained about the adjuster being at the rear of the headlight, but you can adjust from the top as well. Yes, on the back there is an adjuster nut with teeth at the flange of the nut. If you look down from the top of the light, you can see those teeth. Those teeth mesh perfectly with a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Just stick a screwdriver down into the hole and you can twist to adjust. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.